Because your mom, your dad don't allow our love. That's why our love will fade away. Let me love you for the one last. If can't love